Okay, so remember that you need to generate first by clicking this button. Once you've finished your arrangement here, you need to generate. And then after it's generating, you can go to playback. And then after generating, you can play and see whether that's what you want. If this one's bothering you, can always right click on this and then change the location to like show on the left and it goes over here. So once you have achieved what you want, and it doesn't necessarily have to match what I've shown here, you're now ready to create. We can stop this. You're now ready to create your animation file. So the animation file can be created using the save button over here. And when you click the save button, it will ask you what's the name. Okay. So you can change the name here. You can click browse and make sure you are where you're supposed to be saving it in 10th grade engineering or inside your Lego or wherever you have. Okay. And then what format? Well, typically we just leave that to a MPEG for a video, or you can also click AVI. Okay. I'd rather use AVI, and I can always change resolution here. The resolution is low at the beginning, so 640 by 216. So if you click this and change it to something better like 1024 by 730, okay, and then you wanna always use 25 frames per second, and after that one you click OK, and it will play that video, and once it plays that video, it will actually um, create the AVI file inside that file. So um, you still have to wait until it's finished generating, okay? And it will say generating 432 or 42. That means it's finished. So now all you have to do is open up your 10th grade engineering folder and wherever you save that, okay? And you should see an AVI file here. Let's see my correct spot. AVI file. I just type here. There you go, AVI file. You can just double click that, and it should play on a separate player, and this is what it's gonna look like. Now you can see it's kind of a jaggedy edge because you can always change that by creating a higher resolution because I only have 1024 by 768. Okay, all right. Now you can always again change that using save and then change to a high resolution. You can also do a render frame and then settings as if you want it to be really really good, then you have to um, check the render frames. You can try that. It might take a while and sample. I could look at mid one like so 600. Oh, there you go. Okay, I can also change this 600. Okay, and then click OK or maximum time. So 30 seconds. Let's just do maximum samples. Click OK. And then click OK again. Oh, change the resolution. Let's try the maximum. It'll take longer. And then let's try to change this to animation 2 here. Okay. Same folder, except that I'm adding a 2 to the file name and then click OK. And then it will take a while, okay, because you check the render frames. So it will um, render each frame and it will make it better in quality, but it will take time to render each one. Okay. After it renders, then it's going to generate the frames. So you can see it's still 0 over here. It has to generate 432 frames. Okay. And you can see now it's counting, but then it's going to render the second frame and this. So it's better quality, but it's going to take longer time. So we're going to click cancel because we don't want to do that. So yeah, so just click this one. Maximum, if you don't want to render frames, uncheck that and then change this to maximum and then simply click OK. It's going to go faster, but the resolution will be a little bit higher because we did make it 120 by 1368. So we just have to finish the generation of each frame. And then when you're done, you simply again go to your location. I'm going to click type and then I want to look at the AV animation too. Double click that, and it will play, and it has a little better and resolution compared to the other one, but rendering frames is much better. I really don't like how it clips the tire at the top, but that's how to create your animation. Okay.